Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to change your deductible on your Geico auto insurance policy by phone in 2025. Alright, this is gonna be a quick one. We're not gonna waste much time at all. Just gonna give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. Now you can always find more information online, but this is just gonna be a very quick guide. So let's get into it. Now the first thing to do is to call Geico's customer service, and the number is right there on the screen, so you can use that to call Geico's customer service. Now once you have them on the phone, you're gonna need to provide your policy information. Of course, that's gonna include your policy number. And once you have that submitted, go ahead and request to change your deductible and specify the new deductible amount. And once that's done, you're going to confirm the changes to your policy with the customer service representative. Go over that, make sure you have a good understanding of the changes. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to change your deductible on your Geico auto insurance policy by phone in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.